Hello and welcome to this video on how to grow nasturtiums in your garden. Nasturtiums are beautiful flowers that are also edible. They come in a variety of colors such as orange, yellow, and red. They are easy to grow and require very little maintenance. The first thing you need to know is when to plant your nasturtiums. You can plant them directly in the soil after the frost has passed in the spring. In warmer climates, you can plant them in the fall. Nasturtiums prefer well-draining soil, so make sure to mix in some compost or other organic matter before planting. They also need plenty of sunlight, so choose a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. When it comes to watering your nasturtiums, they prefer to be kept moist but not waterlogged. Water them whenever the soil feels dry to the touch. Nasturtiums can be planted in containers or in the ground. They don't require much space, so you can plant them quite close together. If you're planting them in the ground, make sure to give each plant about 20 centimeters of space. You can harvest nasturtiums once they start to bloom, which is usually about 8 weeks after planting. The leaves and flowers are both edible and have a slightly peppery taste. They are often used in salads and as a garnish. One common problem with nasturtiums is aphids. These tiny insects can be controlled with insecticidal soap or by attracting natural predators like ladybugs. In terms of climate, nasturtiums can be grown in most areas. They prefer temperatures between 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. In hotter regions, they may need some shade in the afternoon to avoid heat stress. So in summary, nasturtiums are a beautiful and edible flower that are easy to grow and require little maintenance. They prefer well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight. Water them whenever the soil feels dry and harvest the leaves and flowers once they start to bloom. Watch out for aphids and plant them after the frost in the spring. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.